7 reasons to roll over your IRA into gold before market crash. In times of financial uncertainty, securing your retirement becomes more important than ever. Traditional IRAs, often filled with stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, can lose significant value during a market crash. One proven way to protect your retirement savings is to roll over your IRA into gold. Gold is a physical asset that holds its value when markets fall, making it a strong hedge against economic collapse. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are 7 compelling reasons to consider this move before the next downturn strikes. 1. Gold holds value during crashes. Unlike stocks or paper assets, gold doesn't lose its value in a crisis. It often gains. When the market crashes, investors rush to gold, driving up its price. By rolling over your IRA into gold now, you lock in security before panic sets in. 2. Inflation weakens your money. Every year, inflation reduces the buying power of your dollar. That means your savings buy less over time. Gold, however, maintains its value and often rises during inflationary periods. Adding gold to your IRA helps shield your money from losing real value. 3. Diversify your portfolio. A strong retirement plan includes a variety of assets. Most IRAs are heavily tied to stocks and bonds, which can both drop during a crash. Gold moves independently from those assets, giving your portfolio much-needed balance and protection. 4. Global uncertainty is rising. From war to economic instability, the world is full of risk. These events often shake markets. But gold is trusted worldwide. When people lose faith in paper assets or governments, they turn to gold. A gold-backed IRA helps protect you from global chaos. 5. Keep tax advantages. Rolling over into a gold IRA doesn't mean losing tax benefits. You can still enjoy tax-deferred growth, just like a regular IRA. The difference is, your assets are now held in gold, not just paper investments. 6. Signs of a market crash are everywhere. Debt is at record highs. Stock prices are inflated. Interest rate changes are shaking investor confidence. Many believe a crash is near. If you wait too long, your IRA could lose value before you protect it. Rolling over into gold now can help you stay ahead of the crisis. 7. Demand for gold is growing. Gold is limited in supply, but demand is rising. Central banks, large institutions, and private investors are buying more gold every year. This pushes prices higher. Getting in now means you may benefit from long-term price increases. A market crash can wipe out years of savings in a matter of weeks. Don't wait for the storm to hit. Rolling over your IRA into gold offers a time-tested way to preserve and protect your retirement. In uncertain times, gold stands strong. Take action now, before it's too late. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.